Hi, all you beautiful souls. So, I have my lettuce boat tacos with mushrooms and avocado and a spicy sauce on top. I'm at a cute view right now. But don't these look fucking bomb? Look at that. Look at the sauce. I don't know, just glistening. It's just glistening. So I'm gonna eat this with y'all. I had to use like 3 pieces of lettuce just to make one boat because this lettuce is not that GMO large ass shit. So bomb. I'm gonna get a little tray to hold my food. I'm gonna put some more of this spicy sauce I made. I made it with, I cut up 2 Thai chilies and I just eyeballed some tahini, date syrup, paprika, lime juice. And a little bit of salt. I should have brought extra lettuce to pick up what falls. Mm. I was gonna make the spicy sauce on top with sunflower seeds because I forgot I had the tahini. And if I did that, I would have had to use my blender, and I was like so lazy. And I saw my tahini, I was like, yes, I could just mix it in a container. Mmm. Go visit my grandma right now. Mmm. And then I'm gonna go to the gym. This view would be nice at night today because it's gonna be a full moon. Last one. She's a fatty. Oh my goodness. The mushrooms are so good. Not just cilantro stuck in my teeth. It's so good. So good. Next week I'm gonna go to Wild Living Foods and get some hella gourmet raw. That was 10 out of 10. Ooh. For just a recipe I threw together real quick. And I do that a lot sometimes. And sometimes they're like But that's why you just gotta experiment. But now with practice, I feel like I make a lot of better ones than not so good ones. But next week I'm gonna go to Wild Living Foods and get something bomb, and then I'm gonna look at my raw vegan bundle and see what recipes I can make without a dehydrator, and then get back to writing some recipes because it's been a while. Or maybe I'll find one on YouTube. But yeah, or if you guys have any requests or like a video, just send them my way and I'll try it out. Because I want to try other recipes. Alright, that is the end of this video. Thank you for enjoying my raw taco boats with me. Real quick, I'll tell you what I put in the mushrooms. So the mushrooms are just marinated in chopped up red onion, like a quarter of a red onion, 3 chopped up garlic cloves, and I chopped it up fine. Then I put like a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of lemon juice, maybe 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I mixed it all up, and then I sprinkled it with paprika, and then I chopped up the shiitake mushrooms in thin slices, and then I just mixed it all together, and I just used 1 container of the shiitake mushrooms, and then that was like the perfect amount for 3 taco boats. And then I just let it marinate overnight, and that was it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a beautiful, magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.